Children, let us study what are bases, what are their properties and how where they are used. Base is a substance whose water solution gives hydroxide ion. NaOH gives Na plus and OH minus. Children, do you see here AQ is written on the right side of substance NaOH. AQ indicates that it is aqueous solution and NaOH when dissolved in water gives Na plus ion, sodium ion and hydroxide ion OH minus. Sodium ions are surrounded by water molecules and therefore AQ, letter AQ, these are written on the right side of that ion. A base is a substance whose water solution gives hydroxide ion. This is the definition of base. Examples of bases: sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide. These are all examples of bases. This chart shows name of base, its molecular formula and use. Sodium hydroxide or caustic soda has molecular formula NaOH and it is used as washing soap. Potassium hydroxide or potash has molecular formula KOH. It is used as soap or shampoo. Calcium hydroxide is also called as lime water and it has formula CaOH by 2. It is used for doing whitewashing. Magnesium hydroxide is also called as milk of magnesium or magnesia. It has molecular formula MgOH by 2. It is used as antacid. Ammonium hydroxide has molecular formula NH4OH and it is used for production of fertilizers. Draw this table in your science copy. Properties of alkalis. Bases has bitter taste. Number 1. They are slippery. Bases contains hydroxide as the main constituent. Metal oxides are generally basic in nature. So these are the properties of alkalis. Bases which are soluble in water are called as alkalis. They have bitter taste. They are slippery. Their aqueous solution contains OH ion, hydroxide ion as a main constituent. Metal oxides are generally basic in nature. Let us study the reaction neutralization. We have seen that acid contains H plus hydrogen ions and base contains OH minus, such as hydroxide ions. Salt and water are formed by combination of acid and base. Acid reacts with base and salt and water is formed. Hydrochloric acid HCl reacts with sodium hydroxide NaOH and NaCl salt is formed along with water, and this chemical reaction is called as neutralization reaction. So children, have you understood that neutralization reaction always takes place between acid and base? And what are the products of neutralization reaction? Salt and water are formed as a result of neutralization reaction. Hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide gives salt and water. HCl plus NaOH is equal to NaCl plus water. This is the neutralization reaction. Hydrochloric acid is present in our stomach. It helps to ease digestion process. However, excessive acid leads to indigestion. Antacids are used to control this hyperacidity. This medicine contains milk of magnesia. Such alkaline medicine neutralizes excess acid present in stomach. Children, whenever we have stomach ache, doctors prescribe medicine containing magnesium hydroxide. As you all know, there is hydrochloric acid present in our stomach which helps in the digestion of food. Sometimes in the stomach there is more hydrochloric acid than what we need, and this excess acid causes acidity and indigestion, resulting stomach ache. When magnesium hydroxide is administered, it neutralizes the extra acid which is present in the stomach. Therefore, magnesium hydroxide is the best cure for stomach ache. Clear? Magnesium hydroxide is also called as milk of magnesia. The acidity of soil increases due to excessive use of chemical fertilizers. Under the guidance of agriculturists, limestone or lime water is mixed in the acidic soil. Such alkaline substances neutralizes excess acid present in the soil. Quick lime or slack lime is added to the soil. Uh, Children, you know that chemical fertilizers, when they are added to the soil, soil becomes acidic. And to reduce this acidity of soil, quick lime or slack lime is added to the soil. So, quick lime or slack lime, these are alkaline substances. So, the acid which is present in soil gets neutralized by this alkali. And you all know neutral soil is very good for the growth of plants. So, children, we have completed the chapter number 12, Introduction to Acid and Base. We will discuss the exercise based on this lesson in next video. Thank you.